Alright, today I'm going to be making ramen noodles with green onions and hot dog meat. Okay, so first of all, you're going to need ramen noodles, you're going to need green onion, and you're going to need hot dog meat. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the hot dog meat and the green onion and set it aside. And then you are going to open up the package of ramen noodles. And then you are going to pull out the seasoning packet and the crunchies that are inside and pour the crunchies inside. And take the seasoning packet and put the seasoning packet at the bottom of the bowl. Alright, and then you're going to take the green onion and then you're going to cut it into pieces and put it into the bottom of the bowl. And then you're going to take your ramen noodles and break them. And then you're going to take your hot dog meat and cut it and put it inside of the slot right here. Alright, so once you have the ramen noodles, green onions, and hot dog meat inside of the bowl, you're going to take some water and fill it to the line right here in the Rapid Ramen cooker. Check the description part of the page for more information on where to find the Rapid Ramen cooker. And you're going to put in the microwave for 4 minutes. Alright, after 4 minutes, you're going to pull out the ramen noodles. Hot dog meat is done. Green onions at the bottom. I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. Look at that. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.